Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your WhatsApp is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So I can resolve that. Simply just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and tap to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to channels again and update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just scroll it down and just find iPhone storages. And if you don't find a WhatsApp, just like that, I'm gonna find it. Just tap on that, and you see that you cannot delete any upload app. Just see, I have a solution of that. Simply just going back and just scroll it down and just find a transfer reset icon. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and then reset the network settings from here. After that is going back and just going to the WhatsApp just like that. I'm going to my WhatsApps and going to settings sections and you see that the option of our chats and the storage management. Just tap on that and see that the manage storages, you have to just delete your rough storages just like that. It's taking too much storages, so that's why I'm going to delete the raw materials from my WhatsApp, which I don't need. So I just like documents, many things. So to make sure that you just have manage my storage and free up space in your WhatsApp, so that's why your WhatsApp gonna work. So that is the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.